Okay, so today I'll be teaching you how to crop, like edit a photo onto another. So I'm gonna show you an example by using this moon in the sky. I'm gonna try to put the moon in the sky and make it look more natural. First, okay, you have to select the moving tool and you drag this into the other one that you want it to, like this. And if you want to resize it, you press Ctrl T. And you can, if you press shift while moving this, it won't change the shape, but if you do, it will. If you don't press shift, it will like move around. So I'll move it around like maybe that size. That's, yeah, okay. And then you press enter when you're done. Then you can press this mask thing, which adds a layer onto it. So if you select this layer and you get your paintbrush and you paint in black, it will erase it. But that would take too much time. So I just grab this like rectangular marquee tool and just cut out like, oh shoot. Okay, whoops, don't crop. I select the wrong one and cut it out like that. Because first I need to just get the general shape, or you can use this, the lasso tool. It's very simple. Oh shoot. You just select the parts that you want cut out and then cut it out like that. You can press Control and plus on your keyboard and oh shoot, that's too big. Okay, and get the paintbrush tool that I was just using. You select black and select the second layer and you just color it out like that. This is the like most simple way that I know of cutting it out. And if you want to make it more precise, just zoom in more and go slowly. And if you accidentally let's say I accidentally erase this part, I can change it to white by pressing this or pressing X. It will also switch it, and I can just color back in, and I'll be fine. So, oh shoot. Okay, back to the brush. So I don't have to focus that hard. I'll just kind of get the general shape, and like I'll color it in after if I accidentally cut some parts out, like here. So yeah, now doesn't really look that real natural because like they kind of don't like fit in, but like it's better than before where there was like a big box around it. Yeah, and then if you like just clean it up a bit more, it might look more natural, which I don't really think it will ever look that natural. But yeah, that's how you cut it out. And if you just don't show this part, and if you don't show the background, like you can cut it out better because you can see the black more clearly. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked the video.